This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to insert and customize a table on Google Docs. So I'm right here on Google Docs. As you can see, I just have an untitled blank document open right here. So the tables that you can do on Google Docs, they've recently improved them. They're actually pretty cool now. So I'll give you a little preview. So in order to actually add a table, we will just click on insert at the very top in the toolbar, and then we will hover over table because there's a few different options here. So we've got building blocks, which are essentially templates. So you see the most popular 5 here. They've got things like simple decision log, a review tracker, content launch tracker, the product roadmap one, and project assets. And if you click view more, you get a whole bunch more. So the other thing I want to show you is this right here. This is quite cool. So this is essentially a whatever size table that you want. So obviously you have rows here, you have columns across the top here, and it's quite cool. It actually visually expands as you drag your cursor over. So we can build quite big templates, quite big tables even here. So let's say we want a 16 by 8. We will just literally, I'm literally not dragging it, I'm just moving the cursor and it's just creating that. So now I click the cursor, so I just literally hit the mouse button, and just like that, it actually inserts a table. So obviously that looks like a really bog standard basic table. There are ways that we can customize. This says table options right here, so we can start to actually edit things here. I won't go through absolutely all of these, but let's say the table color, we can start to say, okay, let's have that as a blue color right here, or we can have red. That stands out a bit more. So maybe you want to have a crazy red table, up to you. We can also expand this to make the lines thicker. So that looks like almost like a kid's game of like tic-tac-toe or something. But yeah, so we've got these options here. So that is table options. That's the basics of editing a really bog standard table. And I'm just going to undo these just to quickly back out. So here we go. We're back at a basic document again. So we click insert, we go to table. And now I just want to show you some of these options here. So we've got a simple decision log. We've got let's click the project roadmap. So that's quite useful. We get straight away, we get this nice custom table. You can obviously start to add text here. These are drop downs as well. So we can change these. So depending on the use case, obviously I don't know exactly what you want to do with your table and why you want one, but there's a whole bunch of different options here. So again, if we click on insert, I'm sure if you look at building blocks and you click on view more, you will find a table that meets your desires. And in fact, right here, look, you can see that the tables are actually changing as I hover over the different ones. So we've got 2 different featured ones there. There's communication ones, the email draft one, there's some meeting ones, and you actually get a quick preview of what it's going to look like directly in your Google Doc, which is quite cool. So as you see, there's some contact list ones here. If I wanted to go for sales contacts, I want to do like a little sales CRM maybe. I can change the title here. I can change the color of that font as well. If I go up here in the toolbar, the usual way that you'd use Google Docs, you can change. Let's go with the red again. So there we go. This is in red. Let's change that. Yeah, so you can just keep on customizing things. You're going to enter obviously all of your data here. You can change all these things out right here. Person. This is a drop down. So everything is customized depending on what kind of table it is, but it doesn't mean you can't obviously add your own features and customize your table to your heart's delight. So that was a very simple, straightforward way to actually add a table in Google Docs. Hopefully you found this useful. It's literally just insert and in table. You can build your own here or use some of the templates that they have ready made right here in Google Docs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.